Hello, it's Sonia here with the Pretty Stitch. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, I'm so happy to have you here. So today is Wednesday, and that means it's the Stitch of the Week. So for today's stitch, I'm going to be using my eye hook, or 5.5 millimeter, and I just have some regular worsted weight yarn, or number 4. And this yarn, I believe it's Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. I'm not completely sure because the tag is missing, but it feels like Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. So I'm thinking it might be. All right, so today's stitch, we are going to be working extended half double crochet. Some of you have been watching my channel. You know I have a great love for extended single crochet, so I can link that stitch if you want to see how that one looks. And a lot of people don't like that stitch for some reason, but I really love it. I think it's very versatile and works really well in a lot of projects. I love it a lot more than regular single crochet, but there is also extended half double crochet, and it's really, really easy. So if you know how to do a regular half double crochet, you can do extended half double crochet. So what we're going to do is we're just going to work a chain, and you can work any chain that you would like. So let's just chain 8. So here we are, we have our 8 chains. So we are going to get started. So what you're going to do is you can work in your chain however you would like. You are going to be working in the 4th chain from your hook. So normally when you work half double crochet starting from a chain, you work in a 3rd chain. But because we're working extended half double crochet, our half double crochet is going to be a little bit taller. So that's why we're going to be working in the 4th chain. So 1, 2, 3, and here's number 4. So we have my yarn over. So we're going to get started just like we were working a regular half double crochet. So insert your hook in that 4th chain and just pull up your loop. So we've got our 3 loops on there. So normally for half double crochet you would yarn over and just pull through all 3 of those loops, but we're going to add an extra step. So you're going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 to complete your stitch, and it just makes it a little bit taller. So let's repeat that. So yarn over, insert your hook in the very next chain, pull up your loop. So there's your 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, then yarn over again and pull through all 3. And you're just going to continue that down your chain. So you might wonder why you would actually do this stitch instead of just a regular half double crochet. I think it's just mostly for aesthetics reasons, so for a different look, if you just want to, mix it up a little bit instead of, getting tired of a regular half double crochet, you can just mix it up and use the extended one. It's always fun to use new stitches, I think, especially ones that are really simple. They don't require a lot of extra thought. You can kind of just sit there, relax, and just, crochet without having to use your brain too much. I mean, sometimes it's nice to use those really, challenging projects, but then other times you just want to have some mindless crochet. So there's our first row. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to start row 2, we're going to chain 3. Again, just like if you were doing a double crochet, and turn your work. So that first stitch there is going to count as your first extended half double crochet. So then you're just going to work across your row. So you're going to work in the next stitch here. So you don't want to work in this first one, work in the next one. Again, you're going to pull up your loop. You do your yarn over first, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3 of those loops, and just continue across your row. So I've got my yarn over right in my next stitch, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. And I think this stitch would work equally well in the round as well. And it would, work great in rows, however you would want to use it. And you could use it in blankets, hats, all kinds of things. So we're a little bit crunched there at the end, but there's that stitch. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through the 3, and then you're going to work on top of your chain 3 to complete your row. because we want to have 6 stitches. And there is row 2. So chaining 3, we'll do another row very quickly. And there we've worked 3 rows there. So you can continue working as many rows as you would like. Maybe I'll work a few more rows and I'll meet you back. Alright, so I worked 2 more rows so you can see the stitch here. I think it looks really nice. You know, it's just a little bit taller than a regular half double crochet. And the nice thing is if you do work this in the round, you do have that extra loop there. So if you wanted to do like 3rd loop half double crochet in the round, I think that would look really neat and just give it a little bit of a different look. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I can certainly link that stitch. So I do think this would be a versatile stitch and a fun one to try out and incorporate in different projects. So I hope you enjoyed this stitch of the week, and I thank you so much for watching.